Congratulations to winners. If you want to mention from my video, subscribe now.
In this section we will examine the best browsers based on two main factors. First, security. How well does the browser protect you from hackers, vulnerabilities, and online exploits? Second, privacy. How much data is the browser itself collecting about you and who is this data being shared with? How does the browser protect your privacy? Conflicting opinions. Just like with Tor, opinions about browser privacy and security can be wildly divergent and contentious. This guide is not meant to sell everyone on one browser that beats all others. Rather, it is just a summary of information about different web browsers that do well with both privacy and security. Choose the best browser for you based on your own unique needs and threat model. So here are the most secure and private browsers. Fifth, Bromite. Bromite is a Chromium-based browser for Android only. It comes with some great features by default, including ad blocking and various privacy enhancements. Here are some highlights of this browser from the official Bromite website. The main goal is to provide a no-clutter browsing experience without privacy-invasive features and with the addition of a fast ad blocking engine. Minimal UI changes are applied to help curbing the idea of browser as an advertisement platform. All patches are published under GNU GPL v3 to enable other open-source projects' usage. Bromite is only available for Android Lollipop and above. Another cool feature I like with Bromite is that you can use custom ad block filters. Learn more here. Bromite is under active development and remains a great browser for Android users. Fourth, Ungoogled Chromium browser. Ungoogled Chromium is an open-source project to provide a Chromium browser without the Google privacy issues. Ungoogled Chromium is Google Chromium sans dependency on Google Web Services. It also features some tweaks to enhance privacy, control, and transparency. Ungoogled Chromium retains the default Chromium experience as closely as possible. Unlike other Chromium forks that have their own visions of a web browser, Ungoogled Chromium is essentially a drop-in replacement for Chromium. Ungoogled Chromium receives regular Chromium security updates. Third, Tor browser. Next up we have the Tor browser. The Tor browser is a hardened version of Firefox that is configured to run on the Tor network. By default, the Tor browser is a secure browser that protects you against browser fingerprinting, but it also has some disadvantages. Because it uses the Tor network, which routes traffic over 3 different hops, download speeds with the Tor browser can be quite slow. The default version may also break some sites due to script blocking. Finally, there are also drawbacks with the Tor network itself, including malicious exit nodes, high latency, dependence on US government financing, and some consider it to be fundamentally compromised. There are also many websites that block IP addresses originating from the Tor network. Another option is to use the Tor browser with the Tor network disabled. In this sense, the Tor browser will work like the other browsers we've covered above. Additionally, you can simply run a VPN in the background. Like the Tor network, a VPN will also encrypt your traffic and hide your IP, but it will be much faster. Be careful when adjusting the settings for the Tor browser, however, as this may compromise the browser's built-in privacy and security features. Second, Brave browser. Brave is one of the best secure browsers with simple, out-of-the-box privacy. It is a Chromium-based browser that is fast, secure, and privacy-focused by default. It has a built-in ad blocker and browser fingerprinting protection. The main developer behind Brave is Brendan Eich, who formerly worked for Mozilla. To summarize this browser, Brave is based on open-source Chromium, but configured for more privacy. It does well with its default privacy settings and extra features. Here is a brief overview. Blocks ads and trackers by default. Protects against browser fingerprinting. Built-in script blocker. Automatically upgrades to HTTPS. Brave ads. Despite offering ad blocking in the browser, Brave officially launched its own ad program in April 2019. The ads will be vetted by Brave and there's a revenue sharing model for participants to get a percentage of the ad revenue. While there have been critics of these ads, it also helps to secure revenue for the project to continue active development and improvements. One of the reasons we like Brave is because it offers simple, out-of-the-box privacy by default. This makes it ideal for those who do not have the time, patience, or know-how for browser customizations and tinkering with extensions. It can also be used with Chrome extensions, making it an ideal alternative for Chrome. Just download it and you're good to go.
Nice.
First, Firefox. Firefox is a great all-around browser for privacy and security. It offers strong privacy protection features, many customization options, excellent security, and regular updates with an active development team. The newest version of Firefox is fast and lightweight with many privacy customization options. Out of the box, Firefox is not the best for privacy, but it can be customized and hardened, and we show you exactly how in our Firefox Privacy Modifications Guide. Be sure to disable telemetry in Firefox, which is a feature that will collect technical and interaction data and also install and run studies within your browser. Within the privacy and security settings area, there are many useful customization options for different levels of privacy: standard, strict, or custom. Another great benefit with Firefox is the ability to use numerous browser extensions that can enhance your privacy and security. We'll go over some of these extensions further below. Firefox highlights: open source code that has been independently audited, active development with frequent updates, excellent privacy features and customization options, many browser extensions supported. Telemetry and tracking needs to be manually disabled. Other modifications necessary for more privacy and security. If you want to keep using older add-ons that are no longer supported by the latest Firefox release, you can go with the Firefox Extended Support release. If you want a privacy-focused version of Firefox for Android, you could try Firefox Focus.